What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to be building a micro motorized bike. I'm about to go pick up the bike we're going to be using right now, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I just picked up the bike that we're going to be using. Wait a minute. Where is it? Oh, thought I lost it again. The goal is to install this high-performance motorbike engine onto the bike, and we will definitely need some new shoes for the bike to support the power plant. The back wheel sprocket needs to be on the opposite side for it to work with the motor, so we have to take it apart and reinstall it with the welder so that it doesn't come flying off the threads when the chain turns. To make the stem work with the new ape hangers, we have to add a copper expander I picked up at the hardware store. So that is it, guys. The Super Mini is pretty much complete. I really didn't expect it to come this far, and I'm gonna start it up here in a minute, but everything clearing the way it did just really couldn't have worked out better, and I'm genuinely surprised. But I appreciate you guys watching all the way through, and let's get a riding video out on it as well. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like this video for me and throw a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.